everyone in my interactive communications class. My name is Carol Romero, or Carol Vore now. I am married. I got married in December, and I am coming to you live from Scottsdale, Arizona. I was on campus at CCU for the first 2 years, but a family emergency occurred, so we moved back home, and I've been online ever since. I'm set to graduate in December, which I'm super excited about. I love Colorado a lot, and I miss the weather there. Arizona is really hot, and we are in our fourth straight week of having 110 and above temperatures. So to everyone who's not here, please go outside and enjoy the weather for me today. I think that my appearance shows who I am because I love fashion. I love putting together outfits. I love looking for things and trying to have an eye. And I think my mom said to me once that by not showing your best, you're disrespecting other people. And I think that comes off as a little harsh, but I think her heart behind it was that if you don't put in the effort to look nice for other people, they're not really gonna look nice for you. And I think that she's from the South, so she really cares about looks, and I think but she's not vain. I just think that she places a lot of importance in always looking nice because you're showing other people that you respect their time and you respect that they have taken the time to meet you or meet with you. And so I don't know, I think my family and I always just really try and look nice. I love fun earrings. I think that's a fun way to add a unique touch to my outfits, and I think it shows my fun side of my personality, and so I think that's kind of what shows through. I am a barista with Dutch Bros Coffee right now, and the dress code for that job is very relaxed. They give us free t-shirts every month, and we can pair them with whatever we choose, and so my work wardrobe is definitely a little bit more relaxed than it's ever been, which is exciting. The dress code is just very relaxed. I can still wear the fun earrings. I can still wear my hair the way that I want, which has never been the case for me at a previous job, so it's really fun for me to be able to show my personality through that way at work. We are currently in my husband and I's apartment. This setting is really important to me because this is where my husband and I have chosen to make our home. I think you can tell a lot about me from it. I am a bit of a type A control freak, and so you can tell just like that my pantry is organized a certain way and all my books are lined up in they're organized by height and color. So just those little things. Behind me there's a prayer board that I keep that has information about the International Justice Mission, and I'm a current volunteer for them, so you could tell by looking at the board that I work for them. I also have notes from all of my customers I have some notes from my customers at Dutch Bros on my board too, so you could tell that I'm a Dutch Bros employee. And over here we have pictures of Jordan and I's wedding. We have pictures of our families. We are both part of a six sibling family, so we both have really big families, and I think by having pictures of them in a very prominent place in our home that you could tell that we really are family-oriented people. Identities that I'm not able to share. I think I'm a pretty open book. I really try to be vulnerable with people when I feel called to, and so I try not to hide anything. I think I even display my OCD-ness a little bit in my house, and so that's interesting. Striving to develop an identity. I hope to be a lawyer for IJM one day, and that's my end goal, and so I'm a very type A driven personality, and so that's what I hope to achieve one day. But I'll be happy with anything God puts in my path at this point. So I'm really excited for this class and looking forward to getting to know you all. Bye-bye.